Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to another adventure where we uncover the hidden wonders of the universe. We never stop to think about the hidden wonders that surround us every day. The world is brimming with secrets waiting for us to pause and take notice. We often rush through life oblivious to the secrets whispered by the wind or hidden in plain sight. In our busy routines, we miss the subtle beauty and intricate details that make our world so fascinating. Think about it. The intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings, each one unique, in telling a story of transformation and survival. The way a spider spins its web, a masterpiece of engineering and patience, capturing the essence of nature's design. Or even the simple act of a seed sprouting into a plant, a tiny miracle of life unfolding before our eyes. These everyday occurrences hold a certain magic, a reminder that the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. From the grandeur of towering mountains to the delicate dance of a leaf in the wind, nature speaks to us in a language of wonder. I suppose maybe that's yours. Is there more to say in reply? So, are you ready to join me on a journey of discovery? Let's take a moment to slow down, to observe and to appreciate the marvels that surround us. Let's unlock the secrets together. Whether it's exploring a new trail, observing the intricate details of a flower, or simply taking a moment to breathe in the beauty of a sunset, there's always something new to discover. And avoid so much expectation and heaviness from our every moment of life. Keep adjourned. Sketch what you see, write down your thoughts. Documenting your discoveries can deepen your connection to the world around you. Share these moments with others. Encourage friends and family to join you in this exploration. The joy of discovery is even greater when shared. Take time to meditate and reflect. Just let the tranquility of nature calm your mind and open your heart to the mysteries that lie within and around you. And don't forget to look up. The night sky is a canvas of endless possibilities. Each star a beacon of wonder. Each constellation a story waiting to be told. So, fellow explorers, let's embrace the everyday mysteries. Let's find joy in the small wonders and let them inspire us to live more fully, more curiously, and more connected to the world around us. One of the most fascinating things about our world is that there's always more than meets the eye. Our senses, though powerful, only scratch the surface of the vast and intricate tapestry that makes up our reality. Every day we walk through life, often unaware of the myriad of hidden wonders that surround us. Just beyond our perception lies a hidden realm, teeming with microscopic organisms and intricate processes we rarely consider. These tiny entities, invisible to the naked eye, play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. From the bacteria that help decompose organic matter to the plankton that form the foundation of marine food webs, their contributions are indispensable. Did you know that a single drop of seawater can contain thousands of tiny creatures, each playing a vital role in the ocean's ecosystem? These microorganisms, though minuscule, are the unsung heroes of the marine world. They engage in complex interactions, forming the basis of the food chain and supporting larger marine life, from small fish to massive whales. Or that the air we breathe is filled with pollen, dust, and even microscopic particles of plastic. These particles, though often invisible, can have significant impacts on our health and the environment. Pollen, for instance, is essential for plant reproduction, while dust can carry nutrients across continents. However, the presence of microplastics is a growing concern, highlighting the far-reaching effects of human activity. It's mind-boggling when you stop and think about it. The universe is a vast and intricate network of connections, each element playing its part in the grand scheme of things. From the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies, Everything is interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. By opening our minds to the unseen, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and interconnectedness of all things. The roots of trees, for example, form vast underground networks, communicating and sharing resources with one another. Rivers carve their paths through the land, connecting ecosystems and supporting countless forms of life. Each element, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of our world. Embracing this hidden world not only enriches our understanding, but also inspires us to protect and cherish the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Now I have a question for you. What everyday mysteries have you observed in your own life? Have you ever wondered why cats purr? Or how birds navigate during migration? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always eager to hear about the wonders that have captured your imagination. Remember, no observation is too small or insignificant. Sometimes the most profound discoveries come from paying attention to the seemingly ordinary. Unlocking the secrets of the everyday starts with observation. By simply slowing down, paying attention, and asking questions, we open ourselves up to a world of discovery. The next time you're outside, take a moment to really observe your surroundings. What do you see, hear, smell, and feel? What patterns do you notice? Don't be afraid to let your curiosity guide you. Embrace the unknown, and you'll be amazed by what you find. Cracking the code. Once we've honed our observation skills, we can start to piece together the clues and crack the codes of the natural world. This is where science comes in. Through observation, experimentation, and analysis, scientists have made incredible strides in understanding the world around us. But the journey of discovery is far from over. There are still countless mysteries waiting to be solved, and every one of us has the potential to contribute to our collective knowledge. The thrill of discovery. There's a certain thrill that comes with uncovering a hidden truth. No matter how small, it's a moment that can change everything. A spark that ignites a fire of curiosity and wonder. It's a feeling of excitement, wonder, and a deep sense of satisfaction. The joy of discovery is not just about the end result, but also about the journey, the process of getting there. Whether it's finally understanding a complex scientific concept or simply figuring out how something works, the act of discovery is incredibly rewarding. It's about those aha moments that make all the hard work worthwhile. The act of discovery is incredibly rewarding. It's a testament to human perseverance and ingenuity. Each small step forward is a victory, a testament to our ability to push boundaries and expand our knowledge. It reminds us of the power of our own curiosity and the boundless potential of the human mind. Our curiosity drives us to ask questions, to seek out answers, and to never settle for the status quo. So the next time you're feeling curious about something, don't ignore that feeling. Curiosity is the engine of discovery, the force that propels us forward. Embrace it, explore it, and see where it leads you. You never know what you might find, what new understanding you might gain, or what new paths you might uncover. The thrill of discovery is a journey worth taking every single time. From the smallest atom to the vastness of the universe, there is always something new to learn, something new to discover. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds to the collective knowledge of humanity. And it's not just scientists and researchers who experience this thrill. Anyone in any field can feel the joy of discovery. Whether you're an artist finding a new technique, a writer uncovering a new story, or an engineer solving a complex problem, the thrill of discovery is universal. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the world around us. Man, it's our like gruff ritualizing. The world is one step closer to understanding the world around us. Breakdowns the step forward. So it says a psychologist named Don Morenko, who says that amusing is not absent. The thrill of discovery is not just about discovery, finding answers, but about the journey itself. It's about the excitement of the unknown, the joy of learning, and the satisfaction of uncovering something new. So embrace your curiosity, follow your passions, and never stop exploring. The thrill of discovery is a lifelong journey, and it's one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. Remember, every great discovery started with a single question, a spark of curiosity. So go ahead, ask questions, seek answers, and enjoy the thrill of discovery. I know you've been a good friend. Sharing the wonder. One of the best things about unlocking the secrets of the everyday is sharing our discoveries with others. When we share our excitement and enthusiasm, we inspire those around us to look at the world with fresh eyes. Tell your friends and family about the amazing things you've learned. Encourage them to ask questions, make observations, and never stop exploring. Together, we can create a community of curious minds, all eager to unravel the mysteries of the universe, unveiling the extraordinary. The truth is, there's nothing ordinary about our world. Every aspect of our existence, from the smallest atom to the vast expanse of space, is extraordinary. Is filled with wonder and intrigue. By choosing to see the extraordinary in the everyday, we unlock a world of possibilities. We begin to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things and our place within the grand scheme of the universe. It's a perspective-shifting experience that can fill us with awe, gratitude, and a deep sense of belonging. Arguably, the most important thing that humans can do. Stay curious. So, my fellow explorers, I urge you to stay curious, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the world around you. There's always something new to discover, something amazing to learn, and something incredible to share. Who knows what secrets we'll unlock together? The possibilities are endless. If all goes well, my hope is that when I return home, I'll come up with something of really important and worth preserving. Stay curious, and something incredible to share. Who knows what secrets we'll unlock together? The possibilities are endless.